Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ring Fit Adventure. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons are securely attached to the Ring Con and leg strap. The right Joy-Con goes into the Ring Con, and the left one into the leg strap, which you wear on your left thigh. Next, calibrate your movements in the game settings to ensure accurate tracking of your exercises. You can then choose a difficulty level from 1 to 30, tailoring the intensity to your fitness goals. Adventure mode is the core of Ring Fit Adventure. To move your character, simply jog in place, and the game tracks your steps. When you encounter obstacles, squeeze the Ring Con firmly to make your character jump over them. You can also pull the Ring Con to vacuum up coins and other valuable items scattered along your path. During battles, you will perform various fit skills, which are real-world exercises to defeat enemies and progress. Fit skills are your primary tools for combat and exercise. They are color-coded to target different muscle groups. Red skills, like overhead presses, focus on your arms and chest. Blue skills, such as squats, strengthen your legs and core. Yellow skills, including planks, engage your abdominal muscles. Finally, green skills are yoga poses that improve flexibility and balance. Choose skills strategically to maximize damage and get a full-body workout. Beyond the main story, Ring Fit Adventure offers several other engaging modes. Quick Play provides short, intense workouts focusing on specific body parts or exercise types. Custom Mode lets you design your own workout routines by selecting your favorite fit skills and minigames. The Rhythm Game Mode combines exercise with music, challenging your timing and coordination. Lastly, Multitask Mode allows you to get in extra Ring Con presses even when your Switch is off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.